Hello students, today our topic is human migration. This is the second lesson or class 5th. Migration means it is a systematic movement of people from one place to another. Mankind and migration have been linked to each other since the ancient time. Human beings always move from one place to another in search of food, water or the shelter. Before becoming the food producer, he was leading a life of the nomad who always move from one place to another for the different reasons. During that time, when men became food producer, he started to lead a settled life. At that time, he starts to grow crops on a piece of land till the land was fertile. What? As the land lost its fertility, he moves towards the other piece of land. This type of the agriculture which was practiced by the human being after becoming the food producer is known as shifting agriculture. Now we will study the migration in the olden times and migration in the modern times. Firstly, we will study about the migration in the olden times. In the olden times, the people migrate from one place to another for the particular reasons. For example, they were moved from one place to another for food, shelter and clothes. And in modern times, they moved from one place to another for good education, good jobs, better climate, and due to the natural disaster. These are the reasons that for what the people migrate from one place to another. Now, the types of migration. There are the two types of the migration: voluntary migration and forced migration. Voluntary migration means the movement of the people from one place to another according to their own wish. This type of the migration always gives joy to the human beings. In this migration, people move from one place to another for getting good jobs, education, or the better type of the climate. And forced migration, in this type of the migration, people move from one place to another for the natural causes like disaster. It includes floods, earthquake, epidemic. Nowadays, the corona period is going on, which is an epidemic, and you can always watch on your TV or the mobile phones that how the people are migrating from the one place to another. Now the hardship faced by the migrant. The people who are migrated from one place to another have to be faced a number of hardships. Worse conditions. They never get any good condition. In the beginning, they have to be live in worse conditions. Summertime, they have to be work very hard. Sometimes they have to be live without food, clothes or water. Due to the lack of the work, sometimes they start begging. Child labor is also practiced due to this type of due to the migration, and children have to be remain without the education. So these are the problems that are faced by the migrants. Now there are the joys of the migration also. Due to the migration, this is possible to share to get a number of information, share ideas with each other. Sharing of the culture is also possible by the migration, and we can also enjoy good climatic conditions. Technological development is also the result of the migration. Now the animal migration. Students, you have seen a number of animals or the birds that are migrating from one place to another. This type of the migration is from the cool areas to the warm areas and warm to the cool areas. So this is also called the seasonal migration. So this is all about the human migration. Thank you.